Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from Hotel Management Department, RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss a topic about wine. Wine is a basically type of alcohol which is made from fermented grapes, and wine have 14% of alcoholic content is present. If we talk about wine, what is wine? Wine is a fermented grape juice, can also be made from fruit, berries, and are known as fruit wines. Sugar is transformed to alcohol. Reaction during fermentation of wine, a chemical process by which sugar is converted into alcohol. Natural sugar from the grape's pulp and yeast occur adding the skins of grape. Firstly we added the sugar, then we added the yeast, and then it's converted into alcohol and plus CO2 carbon dioxide gas. And making of wine, fruits, we can taken the grapes, then we added H2O plus sugar plus grapes flavor components, and then fermented into a wooden kiosk, then converted into CO2 and heat, and we are absorbed the wine from there, H2O plus alcohol, and change in grapes flavor and components. Steps in wine making: packaging of grapes, de-steaming, pressing, fermentation, racking, aging, fining, filtering, bottling. Wine is an alcoholic beverage obtained from fermentations of juice of freshly gathered grapes. Wine are broadly classified as follows: table wine or still wine, fortified wine, aromatized wine, sparkling wine. Classification of wine. Firstly, we talk about table wine. They are classified into three subparts. One is red wine, another is white wine, and another is rosé wine. If we talk about red wine, they are almost exclusively dry, range from light and full-bodied with distinctive taste, and to produce from red wine, grapes are crushed, not pressed. Skin is left with the juice during fermentation. Contains 9 to 14% alcohol, and its taste range is very dry and very sweet. The service temperatures of red wine is 16 to 8 degree centigrade. If we talk about making of red wine, we taken a grapes, then steamer crushed and put into the fermentation, and then tank, and then stored in the barrage, then fining and filtrations, and then bottling. And if we talk about classifications of rosé wine, there are produced exactly as red wine, except that wine drawn off the fermentation of red grapes after 2 or 3 days, when enough red colors has absorbed by the wine, is given the pinch things. They contains 9 to 14% alcohol and range is very dry. The service temperature of rosé wine is 30 degree to 16 degree centigrade. Classification of wine. White wine are made from the green grapes. And if we talk about the wine making of white wine, there have some steps like red wine, grapes and whole cluster process. We stored them into the tank, and then barrels and finning, and then bottling. Wine colors. Wine having available these colors: yellow, green, straw, gold, yellow, brown, amber brown, white wine colors, red wine colors, purple and deep red, red brown, methoni brown. So thank you to all of you. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.